I am a Muslim, but I am not perfect. Islam is perfect. If I make a mistake, do not blame Islam. You need to blame me. We live in this world nowadays where Muslims are doing things that are non-Islamic, and people then blame Islam for what they are doing. But what you need to understand is Islam, if you look at it completely objectively, there are no flaws. It is an absolute perfect religion. So make sure you don't take a character, a person, including me, and when we mess up, because humans mess up, we are not perfect, and then you say, oh look, there's flaws in the religion, because that is simply not true. The religion of Islam, I have looked at it, I have dissected it, I have researched it. It is perfect, and there are no flaws in the entire religion. But I am a human, and I am not perfect. So for all the people who look up to people online, whether you think I'm a role model, whether you think other people are role models, yes, we might be good, but just understand, we are not perfect. You should not look up to us as the perfect form. You should follow Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and you should follow the teachings that Allah has put in the Quran, because those are the perfect actions that we can follow, not the man who lives right now and talks on social media and tries to